Hi, I'm Rob from MicksGarage.com. Today we're going to show you how to change an airflow meter on your car. So this is what an airflow meter looks like, something similar to that. They're usually fairly easy to find within the engine bay. They'll be on the inlet tract after the air filter, and on this car, this is it here, you can see the electrical connection going into it right there. The car we're using for this demo is a Mark V Volkswagen Golf with a 2-litre TDI engine. We're just going to take this cover out of the way to give us some access. The first thing we need to do is just disconnect this electrical connection here. Then we're going to just take this pipework off to give us access to the airflow meter, which is held on with 2 screws. First, we just want to remove this electrical connection here. It should just prise off. I'll keep that out of the way. And now we want to undo these 2 clamps here. Just wiggle that out of the way, remember which way it went on, and now we've got a bit more access to the 2 bolts that hold the airflow meter on. We need a T25 Torx bit to undo this. Don't know what's wrong with good old-fashioned nuts and bolts, but manufacturers seem to have decided to move away from them. It should undo fairly easily. One, put it somewhere safe. The other one's a little bit more fiddly to get at. There we go, and that should be it. With a little bit of wiggling, it should come out relatively easily. There we go. When you get your new airflow meter, you need to check all the connections are the same number of pins in the same place, dimensions are the same, mounting holes are all the same. And you also need to be careful that you put it back in the right way. It'll only go one way. It has a directional arrow on there to show you which way the air is going to flow through it. You'll also normally find some kind of grid or mesh on the front of the airflow meter which stops any debris kind of going through and damaging the element inside. Refitting your new airflow meter is just the reverse of removing it. Make sure everything goes back in exactly the same order. Just be a little bit careful when you're tightening this up because it's all made of plastic. Don't over tighten it. You can see somebody here previously has been a bit overzealous with the tightening and cracked the mountings there. Now we've just got to refit this inlet pipe. The trickiest part of this whole job is these clamps. If you take them off and let them open out completely, they open too wide and you won't get your pliers back on. So make sure to keep them on the pipe rather than take them off altogether. Get the second one into position. Same again. Open it up. Just a little bit of gentle force needed. And it's back on securely. So we just need to refit this electrical connection and then we're finished. If you'd like to know more about airflow meters, find out what they are, how they work and what happens when they go wrong, just click the link that's up here somewhere. We stock a huge range of airflow meters from all the best brands for pretty much every make and model of car on the road. All available to buy online from MicksGarage.com.